Too many lies were told on this floor, Mr. Speaker. Too many lies were told to cabinet, and someone needs to be held accountable. We can't let this go, Mr. Speaker. In 2011, this floor threw out a legitimate prime minister. Nobody got penalized for it. No man, igolo karabus lo des last way come up. People are killing pig now, walking everything is okay. Fast forward to 2014, a brilliant scam came through this country. And now are we going to let people walk away again? How many times are people going to walk away because they're wearing nice suits? They hold a title as member so-and-so. All come to Giaman. People are giving more money, all poroblo benefit. And the people of Papua New Guinea suffer. How long do we allow this to continue? We are all highly intelligent people in this floor. The people of Papua New Guinea are not stupid. Something needs to be done. More than $3 billion was lost, Mr. Speaker. 3 billion kina. This is like one style steal you may walk in. Ordinary citizens with a gun on the street get shot for trying to rob ordinary citizens of 20 kina. This is billions. Police in around na paiti man na kilimem na try la arrest mem no gat. You miss na look yet. We should all be ashamed if we allow similar deals to pass through our government, pass through our parliament, pass through our country. And Mr. Speaker, from your chair, Usaiti Kam na Sidam Lahap in future must ensure that strict rules are complied with on this floor. You who said, member, you come na Giaman Lohia, you tell lies deliberately. There must be a sanction on you. How about you come na Giaman Lohia na you may go to sit down na logut la pasin. You may just down him na. Behind by, you may lose thing. That's unacceptable. We are running our country, not a taka box. This is like no boy market. There is more integrity at the boy market than there is on this floor because we lie all the time. Same blow me blah. Inside the cabinet, one minister or prime minister should not be able to go in there and hijack everyone, sack his treasurer so he can sign the documents himself. One penalty blow desla. You like signing all agreement lo help people poro blow you na. You sack the treasurer. There are so many things wrong with it, yet you may karamabim go through na bilasim na. Put him lipstick langam na you may talk it looks nice. It's very pretty. Yes, it is a very pretty scam, very elaborately constructed, but it is a scam nevertheless, Mr. Speaker. And this House has a responsibility to the people of Papua New Guinea. Lo holim pasim you usay deslaman. You police ombudsman usay. You are looking for someone to prosecute. Emya? Pepaya? You belong waiting one name. I want the money that belongs to the people of Papua New Guinea returned to this country. Me asking this la floor 20% blow in says PRL 15. You me gonna confiscate it, back him back. Only buying one that money blow me blah, you know blow yet. Enough. Enough lo this like I'm passing where you me all remember like walking still na you me bilasim gutru kamna still. One time all poro blow you me. It needs to stop, Mr. Speaker. With that, I commend the report, and Mr. Speaker, all its recommendations must be carried by this House. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.